Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back on today with another entry and I believe happy mail. This is from one of my besties. This is from Crystal, who is JR's wifey on Instagram, and JUNCRYS315 here on YouTube. Hey Crystal, how are you, girl? Thank you so much for sending me another package. You guys know, if you've been watching, she just sent me happy mail. So, oh my gosh, girl, what did you send? She had it packaged so nicely. Isn't that really cute washi? I haven't been really seeing cute washi in Dollar Tree. Normally that's where I would find it. I'll have to be on the hunt for some more. So she's got this packaged up so pretty. Oh my gosh, thank you, girl. Oh my gosh, so she made me one of these lip balm holders. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. She used that cat scrappiness dye, and she used her really pretty bow. I think this is the MFT bow, and she made it out of chunky glitter, and then she decorated a lip balm. Oh, thank you, Crystal. That's so pretty. I can't wait to open it and use it. And she gifted me some pins that are purple. Thank you, girl. Put those to use for sure. Oh my goodness, girl. Oh, and what is this? This is flavored lip gloss. Oh, that's super cute. Look at those lips. All right, I'll definitely be using that. Oh my goodness. Oh, she sent me some goodies. I'm gonna open this up. This is a cute little bag. Look at the little girls on here. Isn't that adorable? Oh, and a little boy. It's Hawaiian because, you know, Crystal just went to Hawaii. What did you send? Oh my gosh. More chocolate. Hawaiian Host. Milk chocolate covered macadamia. Girl, you sent me some more? Stop. What are you trying to do to me? Seriously, this is so cute. Look at the Hello Kitty. She's a hula girl. Oh, thank you, Crystal. And then what is this? Honolulu cookies. Oh my gosh, shortbread cookies. Oh my goodness. Thank you for thinking of me. Oh my gosh, look at those, you guys. Oh, they're like little pineapple shaped cookies. Oh my gosh, I bet these are really good. Oh, thank you for sharing with me. Oh, thank you, thank you. That is so sweet. Ah, thank you. I can't wait to try those, seriously. All right, what is this? Oh my goodness. What did you send? Oh, wow. You sent me one of these coffee mugs. Oh, it's beautiful. Wow, I never saw these at Target. Oh, thank you, Crystal. I will definitely put this to use. It's gorgeous. It's so pretty. Thank you for that. And then she has this really adorable baking mitt, and it says cutie pie, and it's a Valentine's oven mitt. That is so cute. And what does she have in here? Some cookie cutters. Oh, that's so sweet. It's a lip, and is that a bird? I'm going to open it up so I can see what it is. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, you guys, for all the crinkling. But let's see, let's take it out. Oh, it's a heart with an arrow. Okay, super cute. And then she sent me these lips. Adorable. I don't have these two, and I have a lot of cookie cutters. So thank you so much for sending those. I truly appreciate it. Oh, so sweet. So sweet. Okay, so this must be her entry, because she said she was sending me an entry. Right, girl? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just going to move this box out of the way and just kind of get a little closer. Oh, I like this bag. It's really pretty. Oh, look at how pretty it is. Oh my gosh, did you just use your brand new paper that you got from Kamika? No, you didn't, did you? That is so pretty. Look how pretty her little bag is. She got this is such a pretty butterfly. Leave a little magic everywhere you go. Oh, this is so pretty, Crystal. Okay, is this, let me see. Oh, this is her memory dex card. Oh my gosh, I love it. I like how you use that border die right there. Oh, thank you, Crystal. It says, well, hello there. And then she's got these little hearts. That's absolutely adorable. All right, let me look at the back. Oh, yay, you included a picture. Look how super pretty she is. Oh, I love that. That is adorable. Thank you, Crystal. Oh my gosh, so sweet. I love it. Thank you, girl. All right, let's look at her tags. And oh my gosh, look how adorable they are. She used some macaroon stamps, it looks like. And then she used some of that fun, it looks like maybe that snow marker to do the icing maybe? I don't know. It says, you take the cake, and she used a really pretty tag die. And she's got some pretty twine on the top with her pretty bow. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then she's got this piece, and it's popped up, so it has a little bit of dimension. And then there's the back. Really pretty paper. And then look at this one. It's similar, and it says the object of my confection. Oh, I love the baking paper that you used. It's beautiful. Girl, thank you so much for participating. I love your entry, and thank you for all of my happy mail. I truly appreciate you spoiling me. Thank you so much for thinking of me while you were in Hawaii. That is so generous of you. Thank you, thank you. All right, guys, you guys definitely go check out Crystal's YouTube channel and her Instagram. You will love her feed. And thank you, everybody, for watching. Please leave a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.